Our basic ReKey package, called the Rapid ReKey Special Offer, is just that. What we do is we take the existing lock and key configuration, we pull the cylinder out, drop the bottom pins out, we cut a new key and drop in the appropriate pins for that key. We recommend this package for landlords that are wanting to comply with Section 92 of the Texas Property Code. And it's that quick and easy. We'll rekey up to 6 keyholes and provide 4 key copies for $69.95 plus tax. Thank you very much.